Hi, I'm Casey Knips and I run True Fit Carpentry here in Minnesota. If you've read my articles, watched my videos, or follow me on social media, you already know that I try to work to a really high standard. I've carved out a niche in custom work that requires great precision and attention to detail. No place is this truer than when I'm asked to install doors. Doors are unique because they not only need to look good with even gaps and reveals, but they have to have level head heights from one door to the next, and they need to operate well for years to come. That's what this course is all about. Installing doors that look great and operate perfectly. But here, we're not covering just any doors, we're covering 3 of the more complicated doors I encounter: double doors, pocket doors, and concealed doors. So follow along with me as I show you tips and techniques for making the jump to these 3 types of doors, which are a bit more complicated to install, but totally worth learning. Let's get started.